Question 6. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise has a mass of 25 grams. It is combusted in a bomb calorimeter whose heat capacity is 87 kilojoules per degree Celsius. The temperature of the calorimeter rose from 22 Celsius to 27.3 Celsius. What is the food caloric content of the mayonnaise? So they give us a mass of 25 grams. They give us a heat capacity of 87 kilojoules per Celsius, which is the same thing as 87,000 joules per Celsius. And finally, they give us a change in temperature, which is 27.3 minus 22 Celsius equals 5.3 Celsius. Okay? So that's the information we're given. So we start with the heat capacity, which is 87,000 joules per degree Celsius. Okay? Then if we multiply that by our change in temperature, then we can get rid of this Celsius, and we'll just be left with the joules. Okay? So 5.3 Celsius. The Celsius units cancel out, and we're left with joules. But we want the food caloric content of the mayonnaise. And you'll notice that all the answers are in capital calories per gram, not joules. But they do give you the conversion factor up top. So they tell you that for every 4.184 joules, that is 1 little calorie. Okay, so the joules cancel out. And then for every 1 big calorie, which is what the answers are in, that's 1,000 little calories. So the small calories cancel out. You're going to be left with big calories. So you have 87,000 times 5.3 divided by 4.184 divided by 1,000. And that's going to give you 110.2 calories. But they want it in calories per gram, and they told you at the beginning that you have 25 grams of food, right? So if you want calories per gram, divide that by 25 grams, and then you're left with 4.408 calories per gram. And that's closest to answer 5 on your test, which says 4.41 calories per gram.